channel. I am so excited to finally share with you guys our new house. If you are new to the channel, we just moved from Charleston, South Carolina, and now we are in Virginia. And we're really excited to share our new house with you guys. So today we're gonna do an empty house tour. I'm gonna take you through all the house, show you all the things, and then as soon as we're done, we're gonna move all of our stuff in. So let's get started. This is the front door, and as soon as you walk in the front door, there is a half bath, and it's a pretty big size one. So there's the sink there and the mirror. There's a nice window here, which is awesome to let in that natural light. And this is a bathroom. It's pretty self-explanatory. So we got a little half bath there. And then in here is the living room. It's a really good sized living room. And then we have this like faux fireplace, which is super cute. It's gonna be nice and cozy at nighttime. There's this cute little nook over here that we think we're gonna put an IKEA desk and make kind of like our office area. And then we have this really pretty couch that we just got from Costco. It's this light gray color. It's actually a sectional and it's massive, but it's perfect because it's gonna fill up this space really, really nicely. So over here, we have this kind of like higher, I don't know what it's called, bar top. We used to have some IKEA bar stools in the old apartment, but they were the shorter ones to go with like the standard countertop height. This one is a little bit taller, so we sold our old bar stools and then we got 3 new. They're identical, they look the exact same, they're just taller to go here. Then in here is the kitchen where I'm gonna do quite a lot of cleaning videos and cooking clean with me's, and I'm really excited to do that in this new kitchen. So we have granite countertops, which I'm really excited about. 2, like a separate sink, which is kind of nice. And then all of this countertop space to cook. And then my favorite thing is that I have a glass cooktop. We had the coil ones in our last apartment and it was impossible to clean. I'm super excited to have this again just because it's so easy to clean. And then we have nice stainless steel appliances, which is really nice. And then this little island, which will be just nice to have extra countertop space. If you guys hear Oakley in the background, I apologize. It's really echoey in here. He's just sitting in his car seat while we do this video. And then in here we have some more storage for all of our kitchen stuff. I had to get Oakley because he's getting a little bit fussy. So right off of the kitchen, we have this like dining area. We're gonna get a dining room table. Finally, I'm really excited. I just don't know which one I'm gonna go with. And I'm gonna kind of take my own time on decorating this place and furnishing it. I don't want to rush. I don't want to grab a whole bunch of things that I'm not in love with. So we're going to take our time on that and like really pick a dining room table that we really like. But we're excited to finally get one because we didn't have one in our last apartment. And it'll be nice just to like be able to sit at the table as a family. So we're really excited. But look at how cute this little, what is this called? I don't know what you'd call this, but it's a huge window which lets in tons of natural light. And then you can like sit here and read a book or something. We might get some cushion, like a cushion to put here. I just think it's gonna be really cute. And I think Emerson is gonna be really excited about this and probably be climbing up there all the time. Okay, so coming back this way, right here is our pantry. It's pretty standard pantry. I think it's a little bit bigger than the one that we had in our old apartment, which is nice. So this is where the pantry is. And then this door is just a little coat closet. So we'll probably keep our coats there, our winter coats. We might keep like a broom and maybe a vacuum cleaner down here as well. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs first. So we have some brownish carpet. It's not honestly my favorite color, but it's really soft and really fluffy. And this place is only like a 1.5 years old, so everything is fairly new, which I'm really excited about. And this carpet is really nice carpet. Even though it's brown, it's still really nice carpet. Okay, so when you come up the stairs, you hit this landing, and right straight through there is the laundry room. I love it. It's a pretty decent size. I'm happy that it has a door on it, so we can shut it and let it be a little crazy, because let's be honest, it's gonna be a little crazy in there some days. So that is the laundry room. You wanna go in there and show them a little bit? Okay, and then this way, this is like the kids' wing. This is where the kids are gonna be. Right in here is the kids' bathroom. There's double sinks. This is where the kids are gonna take their baths. And I don't know, this is just really special to me because it's like, it's the kids. And it's really cool to say that it's like the kids. It's gonna be Oakley's and Emerson's because Oakley's gonna get to use it too. In here, I think we've decided that this is gonna be Oakley's bedroom. Finally, Oakley's gonna have a bedroom, and finally I'm gonna be able to make him a nursery and decorate it. I've got big plans for it, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. Here is his closet. It's honestly plenty big for a little guy, so this is his closet. And then in here is Emerson's room. These rooms are identical, they're just flip-flopped. But this is where Emmy's gonna sleep. So this will all make sense when we show you some more of the house in just a second. But for Emerson's room, we're just gonna have her crib, her chair, and then some books. We're not gonna keep her toys in here because we have an extra special place that she's gonna get to keep all of her toys in. Then right across from those bedrooms is our master bedroom. So this is our bedroom. We're gonna put the bed here. And then over here is where we're gonna put the dresser. I think we decided we're gonna put it on that wall. Is that what you said?
One of those walls.
One of these walls. Actually, I think it's gonna be this wall. We measured it, it's gonna fit there like perfectly, and then we'll put the TV up above the dresser. So then in here, this is the master bathroom. Again, double sinks, which is so nice because Andrew can have his sink, I can have mine. This is Andrew's sink, this is my sink. And then yeah, this is the master bathroom. And then right in here, this is the master closet. I will be honest, this is a little bit of a wonky layout. We're gonna have to figure out some stuff because you guys saw our last master closet and we have a lot of stuff. Andrew has a lot of clothes. So we're gonna have to figure out where we're gonna put all of our clothes just because it's such a wonky layout. And as much as I love this window for the natural light, it takes up a whole wall that could be shelves and hanging. So we might honestly get like kind of a little rack here to hang our clothes on just to give us some more storage space. So that is the upstairs. Now we're gonna go back downstairs and then down another set of stairs, and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite things about this place. So right off of the dining room is this doorway, and through this doorway is a finished basement. Here is the most special place to us because this is going to be kind of like a second living room / Emerson and Oakley's playroom, and this is where we're going to keep all of the kids' toys. There's tons of space down here, and it's just going to be awesome. So over here, we're going to make kind of like a living room area, and you know the couch that we had in the old apartment, that IKEA couch? We're going to bring that down here, put it somewhere, and then set up a TV. We're gonna put that TV stand that was in our old apartment down here, and it's just gonna be a nice, cozy little living room area that Emerson can watch movies. We can all come down here and watch movies together as a family if we wanted. It's just gonna be really, really nice. And then over here, we're thinking of putting all of Emerson's toys and just making this her own little area that she can trash or whatever, and just have a really fun time. And then right here is a big storage closet that we can put more of her toys in, just to kind of make this area a little bit neater. And we can just shove them in there, close the door. It's going to be awesome. Also, another really nice thing about this place down here is there is a full bathroom. So there's another bathtub, shower, a toilet, sink, and then there's like some storage here for some towels. So this can be just like if anyone's down here with the kids, they can use this bathroom, or if we want to have guests over, we can use this as kind of like a place to let the guests stay. They can use this bathroom, they can have the living room area, we can put some like blow-up mattresses down here. We haven't really decided how we're going to set that up, but it's going to be nice for guests if we're going to have guests stay with us. And then the last thing, I totally forgot about this actually. This is an unfinished part of the basement. I'm not going to go in there because it's kind of dirty. So this is going to be perfect to store all of the stuff that we don't need access to every single day. So like Christmas decorations, suitcases, all the things that you have in your house that you just don't know what to do with and you don't really want in your way. Oh, this is going to be perfect for it. It's almost like a garage kind of thing. So we're really, really excited about that. There's tons of space. All right, guys, so that is our full house tour. We're so excited to share it with you guys. We're so excited to finally be here in Virginia and be moving into a new place with much more space for us and our family. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, thought it was fun. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up in this new place. We have lots of fun stuff planned, so make sure you're subscribed with your notifications turned on. Also, follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.